A lot of people ask me what it's like to be in the NBA, and over the past few years, former teammates and friends have given me a lot of advice on what it's like to fit in. For example, first impressions are really important, so it's essential to understand greetings and basic communication.
What up, fam?
Fam,
It's been a while. I haven't seen you in a hot minute.
minute. I feel like I haven't seen you in a few months. Huh?
You're tripping, man. You're on one.
I'm on what?
What up, boy? You doing?
Ah, my bad.
Dang, bro, you learned hella slow. Should've went to Stanford.
Good job, Hartford.
Harvard. What? From there, it's all about being sacrificial and doing the little things.
Picture?
Yeah, sure. Alright, 1, 2, 3, I'm in the NBA also.
Nobody trying to take a picture with you, man.
Because we're always in the public spotlight, it's crucial to look the part and understand fashion. What's up, TY? You wanna go eat?
What the hell are those?
Khakis are sweet.
Man, I'm a fashion icon. I can't be seen out with you and those kids. Tighter, man. Come on. Exactly.
Seriously?
And people think shooting's all about form and technique. It's not. It's all about the high socks, man. Gotta take out the headband though.
Equally important is to understand the culture of the NBA. You know, like dancing and music. Dwight! Your dance finally clicked for me. Check it out. Whoa! Yeah, 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 yeah. Whoa! Killed it, right?
That really sucks. You're supposed to be a professional.
Alright, show me then.
You gotta do like that first, like you fit for the defense. And after you get this down, then you see the chocolate shoulders, and you gotta move them things. You know what I'm saying?
Dwight, there's nothing chocolate about these shoulders. Dwight! I'm sorry.
So how you like the NorCal? Oh, it's cool, man. I mean, it's no Charlotte, but it's alright.
What's there to do in Charlotte?
Man, you'd be surprised. Man. Hold on one second.
YG?
Oh yeah, you know that song?
First things first, I love all my... Hello? Don't get me wrong, it's taken me a while to become this cool. Which means it shouldn't be that much of a problem to fit in with my new Charlotte teammates. What's up, fam? It's been a hot minute.
What's going on, Kemba, man? Nice to meet you.
But see,
Good to have you on the show, man.
yeah, I bet. I'm out.
These Cali boys. Man, he's weird. It's gonna be a long year.
But City, yes.
What are those?
Again?
Dang, bro, you learned, bro.
I feel like I really hurt his feelings.
I was like, man, really? Like, you took a picture?
Okay, yeah. Jeremy with the 3-pointer, yeah. The white hit the dunk, right? Yeah. Okay, that's all.
First things first, I love all my...
I don't even know if I can sing it. Hey, ready?
Ready?
Do the name. Good job, bro.